I'm glad you all are here. I think it's almost time. Thank you all for coming here to see listen to my stories. So, I've always been excited to listening of stories. So this time I thought, why not to be a reader to a story and let you enjoy the bliss of a story as well. So, with this, I started with this initiative as of today of telling a story or rather reading a story to you. The story is of Lord Buddha, and one of my friends from Dehradun shared this story with me. The story does not have a title, and author's name I don't know yet, but I'll read out to you the story. Buddha is traveling with his disciple Ananda. They are tired. They want to reach the next town before sunset. They are rushing as fast as possible. But Buddha has become old, and Ananda himself is older than Buddha. They are worried that perhaps they will have to stay in the forest for the night. They will not be able to reach to the nearby town. They ask an old man, a farmer who is working in his field, "How far is the town?" And the old man says, "Not very much. Don't be worried. It's just 2 miles at the most." "You will reach," Buddha smiles. The old man smiles, and Ananda could not understand what is going on. 2 miles have passed, there is no town yet. They are more tired, and an old woman is collecting woods. And Ananda asks her, "How far is the village?" And she says, "Not more than 2 miles. You have already reached. Don't be worried." Buddha again laughs. The old woman laughs. And again Ananda looks at both. What is this laughter? After 2 miles, still there is no town. They ask a third man, and again the same question and the same situation. And Ananda drops his bag and he says, "I'm not going to move anywhere. I'm so tired. It seems it's not going to end, and we're not going to cover the 2 miles. 3 times we believed." But one question arises in my mind continuously. Living with Buddha for 40 years, he has learned how to live with such a man. Not to ask him unnecessary questions. But he asked, "Now if it is unnecessary or necessary, I don't care. One thing you have to tell me. Why were you laughing at that old man? 2 miles, just 2 miles. You have not to go more than that." And again you laughed with that old woman. And she also smiled. And again with the third man, the same thing happened. What was this laugh? What was transpiring between you people? You don't know them. They don't know you. Buddha said, "Our profession is the same. When I laughed, they laughed. They understood that this man belongs to the same kind of profession, where you have to keep people encouraged. Just 2 miles, just a little more." He said, "For my whole life, I've been doing that." People finally reach, but if from the very beginning you tell them 15 miles, they will drop then and there. By 2 miles and 2 miles, they'll pass 200 miles. You can understand a deep phenomena of human psychology. And I laughed at those people because I know this village. I have visited this village. I know it is not 2 miles. But I've kept quiet because you were so eager to know how far is it. I knew that we were not going to make it. But what was the harm? You could ask them. These people are passionate people and compassionate as well. They were not lying, they were simply encouraging you. The first old man pushed you by 2 miles. The second old woman pushed you more 2 miles. The third man pushed you 2 more miles. You just needed a few more people and you would have reached the town. But now you have dropped your bag. It is okay. We can stay there under this tree. The town is still not 2 miles. I hope you liked this story. Maybe you could suggest a title to it. It's okay if you don't have one, because each story gives a different title for every different individual. This was a short story from me this time. Let me know if you're interested for more short stories to share. You can share your stories as well. It can be Hindi or in English. Meet you next time, sometime. Take care till then. See you. Bye bye.